Asahan ng mas pinaganda, pinasaya at exciting na Lubao International Hot Air Balloon and Music Festival 2026 sa Pradera Verde, Lubao, Pampanga sa darating na March 7 at 8. Ito na ang ikawalong edisyon ng festival na unang lumipad noong 2014 at pansamantalang isinantabi noong COVID-19 pandemic. At sa ikalawang taon mula nang mag-comeback, iba't ibang atraksyon ang hatid ng dalawang araw na okasyon.
There is a lot in store for everybody, especially the balloons. We have 26 full-size balloons from 14 countries. And we also have yung tawag na mini hot air balloons na remote control. So in total, we'll have 45. So marami po sila makikitang colorful balloons and they come in special shapes too. Mag-enjoy po yung buong pamilya.
We'll be seeing for this year our sample will be two bears hugging. You'll be seeing that. You'll also see a baby chicken as well. Yeah. So yun, as you can see here, yun yung mga special shapes. So there's the heart and scuba, and there's the baby chicken I was talking about. So ayun. Also, as mentioned, we also have a total of 19 mini balloons. So in total, to be more specific, we have 10 regular shaped mini balloons.
Bukod sa hot air balloons, maraming activities ang mai-enjoy sa Lubao International Hot Air Balloon and Music Festival tulad ng ultralight flights, helicopter ride, at gabi-gabing night glow at fireworks display.
We're also highlighting Pradera Island, so I think that's what's good with the venue because if the balloon flight is in the morning, you have the whole day to stay in Pradera Verde, but you have like an amazing world-class theme park that awaits you as well. So while you wait for the music festival in the evening, so this is one of the newest attractions that we started to offer, of course, since last year when we returned from technically the pandemic hiatus.
Mga sikat na artist at banda rin ang magpe-perform sa dalawang araw na music festival.
So we have one of the top DJs also in Manila, si DJ Vera, who will be starting off the party. Day 1, we start Gica Marie at 6 p.m. Elis Morena at 6:30. Head Abby at 7:15. Flo G at 8 p.m. Kamikaze at 8:30 p.m. Four of Spades at 9:15 p.m. And then Bamboo at 10 p.m. So ang haba talaga niyan. So of course, that's 4 hours of like pure and world-class entertainment. And then for day 2, we start with Arthur Neri at 6 p.m. December Avenue, 6:45 p.m. 7:30 p.m. is Dionella. 8:15 is Maki. 9 o'clock p.m. is Rico Blanco. And then 9:45 Parokya ni Edgar.
May mga preparasyon na rin para siguraduhin ang seguridad ng mga dadalo at magresponde kung sakaling magkaroon ng emergency.
Ready tayo dyan, may nakaabang na mga LDRMO. Hindi tayo nagkulang sa mga emergencies, especially yung mga ambulances, tsaka yung mga doctors natin. Tapos mayroon din silang sariling tent na with air conditioning para syempre na-anticipate natin kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa tao habang nasa event dahil open grounds. Ang pinaka-expect natin is baka may mga himatayin dahil sa init. Pero rest assured naman po na ready kami sa pagtulong dun sa mga taong mangangailangan.
The Pampanga PPO actually have activated the multi-agency security organization. So we have already defined through an organizational structure composed of security, peace and order, and to include the emergency preparedness and response clusters. In order, narinig nyo naman po kanina ang sinasabi po ng ating endpoint ng objectives ng ating organizers, that is to help you provide a secured public services and of course to produce a friendly atmosphere of the local international tourists who will be attending this very special activity. And of course, we want the endpoint, which is at the end of the Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, we have a zero casualty or incident here in during the duration of the very special activity.
Samantala, malaking karangalan raw na may isagawa ang festival sa Lubao, katuwang ang Provincial Government of Pampanga.
So, ini-invite ko po lahat, hindi lang po syempre ang mga Kapampangan. Lahat po, Manila, Bulacan, Zambales, syempre yung nakapaligid sa amin at yung mga hindi pa po talaga nakaka-experience ang hot air. Kasi dito, mas maraming hot air, mas maraming balloons of course at syempre iba-iba pa rin ang itsura niyan. Bago pa rin po ang mga makikita ninyo. At aside from that, hindi lang din naman to ang concert din, of course, na inaabangan ng halos mga teenagers. Asahan niyo naman ang suporta ng LGU, assistance in every way, ang PNP, ang fire, ready po kami dyan. Dahil ilang years na rin naman yan, so all out support ang LGU dito. Of course, sa ating organizers po na always ready na para mas ma-improve pa po ito. Thank you very much po. At sana po mas marami pa rin naman ang tumangkilik dito.
Maaari nang bumili ng tickets para sa Lubao International Hot Air Balloon and Music Festival sa SM Tickets at sa mismong venue. Para sa karagdagang detalye, bisitahin ang official Facebook page na Lubao IBMF. Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.